What's up, everybody? It is time to cut my hair today because I don't like how it looks. And you might think, but Lindy, it actually looks like really good right now. Yes, you're right. For some reason, I have like the best hair day of the last 5 months today. I don't know why. This always happens to me when I'm about to make a drastic change to my hair. It just suddenly becomes perfect. But it's not gonna stop me because I wanna cut my hair because I don't like it. It's just getting like too long for me. And especially the layers. Like this is too long. It needs to be like here, you know? But today, I will be following a hair tutorial that I saw on the interwebs. And I hope it's gonna look good because I feel like I'm gonna cut a lot of my hair off. But it's looking so good today. It always does that. It always looks good like right before I want to change it. But yeah, I will cut my hair today because not only do I want to have more layers, I also really need to cut off some of the dead ends because it's not looking very pretty. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's getting a pretty disgusting. I hope it's gonna turn out good because I'm not the best at cutting hair. We know that. I'm really good at dyeing it nowadays. Cutting it, that's a different ballpark. Before I'm going to cut my hair, I'm gonna talk about today's sponsor, which is Regal Rose. Ooh, we all know that I love Regal Rose. We all know that you love Regal Rose. And if you don't know what Regal Rose is yet, I'm gonna tell you right now. It's a beautiful, beautiful jewelry company. I love their stuff so much because it's very much like it gives like dark vibes and it's also like very medieval vibes. For example, I got a new ring from them and I wanted you to look at it. How beautiful that is! I also have a matching necklace. Let me give you a little tour of my rings. This one is new too, so gorgeous. And I got a new stack ring. Just look at the details. And I got a cute little thumb ring. And then I also got a cute bracelet because I actually don't own any bracelets, which I think is very weird. Also, I got some new necklaces, which I absolutely love. I love how this one is like asymmetrical. It has like a lot of like dangly things. And then what I also got, this is my favorite necklace of all time, and you guys have seen me wear this all the time. It is this chunky one, but I lost the one that I had. I don't know where it is, because you think that you can't really lose a necklace like this. So I got beautiful earrings. Their quality is really good because I'm the kind of person who like, I put on my jewelry and I just like never take it off, which I know you technically shouldn't do that, but like I shower with my rings every single day. These two, I've had those for probably like 4 years right now, and I wear them every single day and they still look brand new. Also, you should take them off before you take a shower, but that's just not the kind of girl that I am. So click the link in the description box down below to check them out for yourself and use code Lindy20 to get 20% off your purchase. That's a big discount. Thank you, Regal Rose, for sponsoring this video, and let's now go cut my hair. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, we're here. Let me just quickly comb. So yeah, Pokey's checking out the neighborhood. She's so funny. Look at her little leggies. So tiny. Are we safe inside? Yeah? Did you scare all the bad people away? Actually, this video got sent to me by one of you girls, so thank you. I forgot who sent it to me because it was like a while ago, but I saw it and I saved it, and it's this one.
Here's how to do a wolf cut on long hair. We're cutting disconnected layers, so start by sectioning out all the areas of the head. Create your first guide by dropping down the top section and cutting a U shape that frames the face. It should be shorter in the center and longer towards the jaw. This creates a face framing curtain bang. Finish layering the top by connecting all the sections to that first guide. Use a small piece from the top as your guide for the sides. Comb the hair forward and cut a vertical line from the guide all the way down to the length, and this will create even layers from top to bottom. And that will complete all of your layering in the front. Take a small piece of hair from the top as your guide, and then over-direct the entire crown section to that guide and connect. This will cut short to long layers. Then repeat the same process for the sides by taking a piece of hair as a guide and then over-directing the entire back section to that guide. Finish off the cut by using a small piece of hair from the back as your guide, and connect layers that work from that guide down to the length. This wolf cut looks great straight, wavy, or even air dried, and it just gives you that edgy, carefree look with a lot of texture and movement. Do you want to see?
So he made it look very easy. Also, the haircut looks so good. That looks so pretty. I'm gonna try to do it for myself, but it's always difficult to cut your own hair. Like, the only method that's easy is like the double ponytail one, which is an easy way to do it, but it never really turns out good. It always turns out like very uneven. So we're gonna do it this way. So first off, I have to section up the hair, and then we can start cutting it. I changed locations because it was looking pretty bad on camera. I feel like this is better, no? Like I said, I'm gonna start on the sections right now. The front two sections, which is over here at the ear. I guess an important part of this haircut is that these sections are even. So let's hope I'm able to do that. Okay, I got all these sections ready. This took a lot longer than I anticipated, but we're here. Okay, look. Oh, this is what it looks like. Yes. 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 Can you see? I haven't really checked whether they're even or not, but I'm just gonna assume that they are. The first step that he talks about is getting one piece, redirecting it forward, and cutting it in a U shape. So that's what we shall be doing. Here. Oh, okay. We got this, we got this. I think we're not just gonna get more hair, and we just gotta keep doing this apparently. Don't overthink it, just do it. Oh. Okay. Okay. So now we gotta take a small section over here, and then we're gonna use that as our guide for the other section. Okay. This doesn't seem too hard. Okay, this is the first. I don't know. Is it? I feel like it's not really. I feel like maybe I actually have to cut way more off, because it's not really as crazy as I thought it was gonna be, right? Okay, I don't know. Let me just take this one out first. I think actually it is a difference, because if you compare the layers, this one compared to this, that definitely looks a lot better, right? This definitely looks intentional. This looks flat. Take a piece from the front. So that's actually a big chunk. Oh my god. Can you see? Ugh. Whee! Is that even or no? Oh my god. Oh, it has to be shorter. Wait. I feel like the other side went better than this side, but okay. Oh, la la la, la 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 la. Yeah, I guess if you like hold it like this, it looks really bad, but if you then put it to the side, it starts making sense again. I'm contemplating whether I should like cut it shorter or not, because I feel like it's still a little bit too long, no? Like the shortest layer is here, and the first face layer is here. No, maybe that's actually okay. Okay. Let's see what I have to do after this.
Take a small piece of hair from the top as your guide, and then over-direct the entire crown section to that guide and connect. This will cut short to long layers. Then repeat the same process for the sides by taking a piece of hair as a guide and then over-directing the entire back section to that guide.
Wait, that's so much. Oh my god. Oh! Hell yeah! That is actually so good! Okay, let's go! Ah, cramps in my arms. Okay, that was painful. Okay, so we got the one of the back sections, and now let me just like actually clip this to the side. Now we need hair from the back, and we're gonna use this one, and we have to like line this up. And then we're gonna hallelujah. I feel like it actually works better if I use the thinning shears, because my hair is like super thick, so it gets like, if I cut it, it gets like very choppy. Wait, let me see if I can just thin it out a bit. On to the last section of one side. I'm gonna be honest, so far this actually seems like the most legit way to cut your hair ever. Like I feel like nothing is going wrong, which is very rare for me. Oh, can you see how much better my hair already is? Oh my god. Okay, let's just do the other side. I guess this is gonna be the moment of truth. Let me just get the clippies out. Stop it! This is like exactly what I wanted. This is like perfect, I think. What? I need a moment for myself and then I'll be right back. Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. I'm so happy. Let's close the door. It looks so good, actually. I'm actually obsessed. Also, it's not, I mean, I guess it is, it's definitely, I wanted to say that it's not very different from what it was before, but it actually is, because like, this layer used to be like here. That's like, I cut like half of it off. I definitely have a lot of, like way more layers and way more like volume and like way more like playfulness in my hair now, which I very much appreciate. And it just feels a lot better too. Oh, this is almost all the hair that I cut off. I mean, there's still some hair on the ground, but that's the problem for my vacuum cleaner. But yeah, this is all the hair that used to be on here. Thank you for growing, I appreciate you, but it's time for you to rest now. Thank you. Wow, what a great video today. Not only do I have great hair right now, I'm also wearing beautiful jewelry. Oh, I feel pretty. Look at that. Don't forget to check out Regal Rose to get some beautiful jewelry for yourself. Also, great idea for like Christmas gifts. It's also like pretty affordable. It depends on the piece obviously, but like it's not really gonna break the bank, and especially if you use code LINDY20. That's gonna save you a lot of money too. Click the link in the description box down below to check out these beautiful pieces for yourself. Yay! Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like my hair, and I hope to see you in the next one. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao.